Hey guys, welcome back to another video. The reason why I'm smiling so much is because I just finished my last exam. Oh shit. Sorry, I'm using this as a stand. My friend gifted me. I'm too lazy to bring my stand here. So anyways, yeah. I just finished my exams. I'm so excited because I am on summer break. Let's go. I'm finally free. So yeah, the reason why I made this video is because we have this new candy come in stock, which was really old but it's come again now, called Phantom cigarettes. These are basically fake cigarettes. So let's see it. This actually has features. So first of all, the color. Damn, this looks good. I love the red and white combination. Second, so the color gets 4 out of 5 stars. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with me. Second is this has games, so this will count as features. Look behind you. You have a whole crossword. Now that's crazy, guys. I don't know if y'all can read it. Oh my god. I don't know if y'all can read it, but look closely. Let the camera focus. Yeah, I don't think the camera is focusing right now. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, this thing right here. This thing, I am going to record this in another video. So yeah, this has a really cool thing. It's like a crossword thing. Let's see if we can find dog. I found owl. It's like right here at the bottom. OWL. Owl. So yay, owls checked off our list. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. The looks and taste. I'll let you have a look first because I love you all more. Why is in this opening? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it looks like blood. Nah, honestly. Hey guys, there's a paper in here. Do you think it will come out? Let's see. Wait. What if we take all these out? We have all these cigarettes. Wait, is there a paper? Oh! It is a paper! Nah, it's a math problem. Bro, I just finished my math exam yesterday. But guys, if you didn't know, I go to Sacred International School and today was my last paper, which was language. So yeah. Hey guys, look at this. It's this thing here and it says, can you find the missing shape in this math problem? So, it's like a combination thing. Look, so this is the answer. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we need to find the missing shape, which is these things over here. I don't know, guys. So this is A. A looks like that, just rotated. I don't know if you all can see. This is B, C and D. So sorry about the screen going dark. That's just my hair. So guys, if you all know the answer to this, post it down in the comments below. And whoever gets the correct answer, I will personally pin them in my next video. So now the moment you've all been waiting for, the taste. Let's pick out this and we're gonna taste it. Not like a regular cigarette, like, no, I'm not a cigarette addict. I'm not gonna do it like that. I'm gonna do it like this, like that, in 3, 2, 1. Ow. Oh. Yo. This is pretty good. The reason why it made the katak noise, sorry, I'm bad at making noise, is because I kept this in the freezer for some reason. I know. If y'all don't keep this in the freezer and let it like heat up, it's soft and amazing. Like the taste is still here, but the taste will be better if it's heated up. Like you won't have to risk your teeth by breaking this. Like, ow. Honestly, that's pretty good, guys. While I'm enjoying my cigarette, y'all can think this math problem out. Okay. Have you all gotten it? Because if you all have, I'm impressed because I didn't get it. I'm dumb, I know. Okay, so that will be it. This Phantom Secret is really good. It's only 10 bucks. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Subscribe. Write the answer down to this math equation in the comments. Bye.